heating element in the mail from Amazon today. So the first thing we're gonna have to do to replace this is take these little tabs out. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a little thing that's bent. You just have to bend that straight and these will slide right out. Okay, so the little tab here, we're just gonna bend that back. And once you bend that back, this will slide right out. Okay, we got our heating element back together with our new element inside, and we're ready to install this now. I got the heating element installed now, everything's hooked up, so I just got to put the drum in and hook everything back up. So we're going to put our drum back in now. So what we're going to do is make sure the belt's the right way. We're just going to put it on the dryer like this. And have a look at the wheel and just make sure the spring is still attached. So sometimes when you take this off, so when you're removing the belt, there's tension like this, and then you want to basically pull it, slide the belt off, and when you let it go, sometimes the spring falls off, so just make sure that spring's attached before you put the drum in. Drums in place now. What we have to do is get the belt back on. Okay, now that we got the front of the dryer put on, we have to make sure we don't forget to hook up the wires. This one will connect to the face. Down here, you can see those little hook things. Basically, the bottom of the front will just slip into those. Okay, once we got our clips in, we can put our screws back in. Okay, so we pretty much got it all back together. I just have to put the top on, and then we'll run a test out to make sure it works. I got the dryer all back together. I'm gonna hook it up and do a test load. Okay, I got my dryer plugged in, and I'm just gonna test it out and make sure the heat works. So I'm gonna run it through a few cycles. Okay, sounds good. It's working properly. Yeah, I can feel the heat. So the heating element, changing that did fix it. Usually when I put my phone in the dryer with the flashlight on, I actually left it in there, and you can actually see the light on inside the dryer, and my phone's in there, so I have to pull the whole dryer apart and try to get my phone out now. So don't make that mistake if you use your phone inside the dryer as a light. But so far the dryer is working good. I'll run a few test loads on it just to make sure it's in good working order. If you have any questions, comments, post below. I'm happy to help you out.